Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay natin ang word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following below that can be only prosecuted upon a complaint filed by offended party? Saan daw sa baba dito yung pwede lang nating i-prosecute kapag nakapag-file na po ng complaint yung ating offended party? So, ibig sabihin yung ating pong direct victim lamang po yung pwedeng mag-file ng complaint sa mga krimen na to. Letter A, private crimes po ba yun? Letter B, public crimes. Letter C, victimless crime. O letter D, all of the above. So, una is eliminated na agad yung delta, which is all of the above, kasi nga yung A, B, and C natin is magkaiba po yung definition niya. Pag sinabi natin victimless crime class, no? Are those crime na which is committed by a person pero wala siyang intended victim. That is called victimless crime natin. From the word itself, victimless. Okay, so for example natin, illegal gambling or using of illegal drugs, that is considered, tawag natin doon is victimless crime. Okay, now yung ating public crimes naman po class. So tandaan natin, yung public crimes natin class, ito yung mga klase ng mga krimen din natin na which is any person can file a complaint or can file a case as long as he has the knowledge of the commission of a crime. That is called public crimes natin. For example natin, yung ating murder, homicide, parricide, okay, including dyan yung ating rape na, that is considered public crimes po natin yun. Ibig sabihin, kahit sino pwedeng makapag-file nyan as long as may knowledge ka sa nangyaring krimen. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating Bravo is ikis na din. Kasi ang sabi dito, ang only makapag-file lamang is yung ating mga offended party mismo. The correct answer natin dito, class, is walang iba kundi alpha. Yun yung tinatawag natin mga private crimes po natin. To make it short, ang private crimes, ang pwede makapag-file ng complaint dito is only the offended party. Example natin, yung ating act of lasciviousness, yung ating seduction, abduction, adultery, concubinage. And always remember class, yung ating rape, it is no longer crime against chastity. Kasi according to Republic Act 8353, sinabi mismo ng ating batas, rape, it is now crime against person. Therefore, yung ating rape is no longer a private crimes. It is considered now as a public crimes. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag public crimes, uulitin ko, kahit sinong tao ay pwedeng makapag-file ng complaint regarding dito as long as meron kang knowledge of the commission of a crime. Okay? And sana nakatulong sa inyo to. Ang correct answer natin is alpha. At ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel, the Master Schumann, Village Brakalaw sa CBRC National Tour and Registered Criminalist. Sabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share sa banang tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.